Hey guys, so I've got the month of January's BirchBox, so let's see what we got inside today and see all the goodies. Alright, so just got this in the mail. Gotta get it open. Alright, assuming I don't drop it. So the month of January's BirchBox is a peach and what looks like grayish blue box. Pretty simple, pretty cute. It says hi there on the box. See, right there. Hello. So, nice you and silly girl. We may or may not have a guest star via a kitty cat. She's very interested in what I'm doing. Alright, so we have the 2022 Refresh, Rewind, Renew. It's the little card that tells you everything that you get in the box and how much each full-size per item costs. All of these are going to be sample sizes, so they're not going to be the cost of what's actually in here. The paper is really cute. It's this yellowy orange color. Sorry, I got like makeup and stuff all over the place. Ooh, looks like we have some deluxe items this time. You can stop doing that. You can stop doing that. Alright, so starting off with this one, we have the Algology. She just clawed me. Alright, so the Algology Creme de Vagus. It's V-A-G-U-E, whatever that is. Alright, so this is a light velvet cream that melts into the skin and refreshes it instantly, leaving the smooth, moisturized, and replenished. So this is the little cream bottle. It's a lot bigger than most of the cream bottles that we've been getting with BirchBox, which is nice. Let's see. It does come with a safety seal, it looks like. Yep, so a little dot in the middle, that's a safety seal. It's always nice. It is a 20 milliliter bottle or a 0.73 fluid ounces. Good for 12 months once opened. And this was made in France. So there's that. The full-size version of that is $37. Okay, it looks like we have... Sorry, she's after my foot. You knock it off, you little booger. Oh, it's gonna make for funny videos. Okay, so we have the number for the La Mer de Hiver Floro number 5 Elixir Restore and Repair Oil. So it's this guy right here. You can't really see it, but it does say number 4 and all the other goody stuff on there. It's basically black on clear, so it's very hard to read. So this is a lightweight oil that repairs and restores shine without weighing the hair down. You apply it to damp hair before styling, to smooth or onto dry hair for added extra shine. So it's a shine oil. Something interesting to try. We have the Mega Babe Spacebar Detoxifying. Wow. Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. So it's got a cute little spaceships and stuff on it. It is adorable packaging. I'm assuming this is a soap. So let's see. Odor control that's out of this world just in 60 seconds. Activate charcoal sends odor causing toxins down the drain. Glycolic acid and tea tree smooths and clarifies. So I'm assuming that this is a soap bar. Sounds like a soap bar. So something worth trying. Tea tree is something I do like. I use it a lot. Alright, what are we? We are the Committee Gold. Ooh. Alright, oh, so the number 4 full size is $26, and the Mega Babe full size is only $8. Ooh, if I like it, I might get it again. So, this is Scent Space Express from me and the many around me. They have the brand philosophy. The art of perfume should be intuitive at comedy. We're demystifying fragrance in order to make the exceptional accessible. We like to keep things simple, no smoke and mirrors, just a passion for the ethical element and atypical. So I'm assuming that this is a fragrance. The full size for this is $120, which definitely sounds like a fragrance. Yep, it is. So there is the actual container that's in the box. You got your typical little spray daily there. So it doesn't say specifically, I think. Let's see. This is supposed to intoxicate, journey to one's innermost desires through thoughts and impulse. Its warm gourmet scent is a blend of molten amber, balsamic benzone, and sweet vanilla. So it's gonna have a warm, sweet smell. Alright, and this is from Arrow. This one right here. Kind of goes with the box theme. Everything is like blue and orange, and we got blue and orange and pink, yeah. So this is a detangling and texturizing protective spray. Detangling and texture protective spray. I said that right, okay. Okay. And so this one, the full size is $24. This is a formulated for all hair types. The spray helps comb through tangles, moisturizing and smoothing hair, adds lightweight texture for styling, and protects from heat. So it's kind of a multi-use little thing. And I can use it because this right here, like, yeah, not cool. Really? I just put that pillow there. Oh, you little snot. Alright, so I gotta go deal with her. That is all the products in the box today. I'll be doing updates on some of these and some older items as well. So we'll just try to like kind of keep up with that a little bit. Everything's been super hectic lately, so we'll see how that all goes. Well, hopefully you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!